All right, all right, all right. You are looking at an absolutely beautiful 2019 NeXus Ghost 36DS. And this beautiful 36-foot, 3-inch long Super C is absolutely amazing. And this is a true Super C. It's built on an International DuraStar chassis. So it definitely stands out from your typical Class C camper. And this girl is absolutely beautiful. As I mentioned, she's just over 36 feet long. She's 8.5 foot wide. She's got that International DuraStar commercial duty chassis. She's got almost 26,000 pound GVWR. And she's got the 360 horsepower Cummins diesel, along with an Allison 3000 6-speed automatic transmission. She's got the rear air ride suspension, air brakes, and exhaust brakes, which are just absolutely amazing features. If you're out doing some mountain driving and trying to get out west where you're going to be going up in elevation, this girl's going to allow you to do it with ease. You can pull your Jeep, pull your horse trailer, pull your toys behind you. She's got all the power you need to get where you want to go, and she's got all the comfort in there to get there in class and in style. So she's got a 20,000 pound rated hitch, a massive 100-gallon fuel cell. She's got those beautiful 22.5-inch rims on there. I wish my Dirty Max had those on there. High strength, low alloy steel cage construction throughout. Laminated steel frame floor, Asdel composite substrate rather than conventional wood substrate. And then when it comes to storage, that is not an issue. I mean, you might as well just be a rock band on the road. She's got storage all over the place on both sides. You've got a little entertainment here on the outside, so TV, speakers, CD player, radio right underneath a nice awning. That way, if you're out watching the game or the fight or the dog show, whatever floats your boat, you can take care of that outside as well. Batteries are here, real easy to get to. Fuel cell is here. And on the other side, you have your DEF tank. Retail on this vehicle is like $180,000. If you look up the wholesale book on this thing, it's around $140,000. And we've got it priced at $109,999, just under $110,000. Reason being we got it priced so low is because we're just the largest dealer in the United States. We've got the largest market share, and that's what we do. But also, she's got 118,000 miles on her. And as I mentioned, she's got the Cummins diesel in there. So if you know anything about the Cummins diesel, she's just getting broke in. So I'm not scared of the miles. She's been professionally maintained, and she's in amazing shape. And you can see the layout is just amazing. If I'm traveling, I hope to be traveling in something this nice. Maybe one day, maybe one day. So 2 recliners, nice little entertainment system there. You've got the dinette here, super plush. Plenty of storage. Both of these fold out. Plenty of storage up top. Giant slide. 3-burner stove plus an oven here. Nice sink. And this is all solid surface countertop. I mean, this stuff is all quality. A lot nicer than even what's in my house. Nice faucet. Plenty of kitchen cabinets, and I like that these are all adjustable. If you're like my wife and you've got those expensive pot and pans, Salad Master, that's what she calls it, Salad Master. She's going to need to move these up to fit what she needs in there. And so the fifth wheel we've got, they're just set where they are, and you got to figure out to put where you want, where it goes. So Frigidaire, microwave, Dometic side-by-side refrigerator, freezer. You've got the nice little bunk slide over here, so you've got the double bunks with an extra love seat, or you just fold her out. Bada bing, bada boom, she's a bed now. Very, very nice, comfortable unit here. Full toilet, beautiful sink, beautiful countertops, stand-up shower with a nice sunlight, sunroof, roof light, what do you call that thing, huh? You got your fan up there, you're gonna need that. Little TV here, king size bed. You've got all the seclusion and privacy that you need. Entertainment center, his and hers closets, and plenty of storage. Those are nice deep drawers, plenty of storage. We're doing an extended stay in this thing. We're just not going out for a weekend, so with those extended stays, you may want to pack a little bit more than you normally take with you. And this has the room to do it. Nice window, an emergency egress exit there. 2 air conditioners. I think it's got a 12,500 BTU unit here, and then a 15,000 BTU unit in the front. And the value on this unit is there, priced at just under $110,000. Man, it's a lot of machine for the money. Absolutely a lot of machine for the money. Driver's seat looks great. And she's got the side mirrors and then a big, side cameras and a big backup camera as well. So you're lacking nothing in this girl. Absolutely lacking nothing. The outdoor paint scheme is just amazing. She's got the Cummins Onan generator. I think it's an 8,000 watt generator. And she is bad to the bone and SEXY sexy. Let me grab that key. Boom, shut her off real quick. That probably makes it a little bit quieter. And that blue, gray, black paint scheme is super desirable. The roof is in great shape. Awnings are in great shape. Slide toppers are in excellent shape. Tires looks like they were put on in 2023. They've still got plenty of tread on them. It is a used unit with 118,000 miles on it. So I'm sure there's something that you'll be able to nitpick and find on it, but I haven't been able to find much. DEF tank is there, and there's your fuel water separator. Super easy to get to and maintain. Plenty of storage, as I mentioned. One of these is going to be hiding a generator right there. There's that Onan QD8000. And she's got, you'll have to tell me, I don't have my glasses on, 5,500 hours on that generator, if that's right. Beautiful unit, well taken care of. And it's less than you deserve, but she's beautiful, and the price point is just spot on for this unit. So you know the deal, Jared Sells Fun, and if this is the fun you're trying to get into, you've got to hit me up. I take trades of all sorts. You got a tractor, you got a side-by-side, you got a snowmobile, you got a old wedding ring that you had from your previous marriage, guns, gold coins, it don't matter. Campers, trucks, cars, boats. We love boats, but whatever it is you're trying to trade in, we'll put a value on it. So I'm here at Camping World in Jackson, Tennessee. And this is your 2019 NeXus Ghost 36. So come see me, hit me up, let me know what it takes to earn your business, and we'll make it happen. Hope to see you soon.